Hello, and welcome to today's guide on how to fix a black screen on a Toshiba small TV. If you're staring at a blank screen instead of your favorite show, don't worry, you're not alone. And we're here to help you get your TV back up and running. In this video, we'll take you through a series of simple steps to diagnose and hopefully fix the issue without the need for professional help. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check the power source. The first thing you want to confirm is that your Toshiba small TV is receiving power. Double check the power cable to ensure it's securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Try plugging another device into the same outlet to determine if power is flowing. Alternatively, try connecting the TV to a different outlet. If you're using a power strip, consider using a direct wall socket instead. Step 2. Test the remote control. Next, let's make sure your remote control is working correctly. Sometimes a simple battery replacement can solve the problem. If you have a smartphone with a camera, point the remote towards your phone's camera while pressing a button. If you see a light coming from the remote in the camera viewfinder, the remote is working. If not, swap out the batteries or try using the TV's manual buttons. Step 3. Inspect the cables and connections. If the TV powers on but displays a black screen, a loose or faulty connection could be the culprit. Examine all cables attached to your TV. Make sure HDMI, coaxial, SCART, or component cables, if applicable, are firmly connected. Disconnect and reconnect each one securely. If you have multiple devices connected, try switching the inputs to see if one might be malfunctioning. Step 4. Adjust the input source. Check that you're on the correct input source. Accidentally switching input sources is a common issue and can easily lead to a black screen. Use your remote to navigate through different inputs, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, etc., to see if the correct one brings back your picture. Refer to your TV and device manuals if you're unsure which input you should be selecting. Step 5. Perform a power cycle. If none of the above steps worked, try performing a power cycle. Unplug the TV from the wall and leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for a few seconds while it's unplugged, which can help discharge residual power. Plug it back in and turn the TV on. This often resolves minor glitches in the system's software. Step 6. Factory reset, last resort. If your Toshiba TV still displays a black screen, you might consider restoring the TV to its factory settings. This step should be a last resort as it erases custom settings, apps, and data saved on the TV. Check your user manual for instructions on performing a factory reset specific to your model. If you're unable to access the menus, you may need to contact Toshiba support directly. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these steps has helped you fix the black screen on your Toshiba small TV, and now you're ready to enjoy your favorite programs again. Remember, always exercise caution when handling electronic devices, and consult a professional if you're unsure. These tips didn't solve the issue. There may be an underlying hardware problem that requires professional repair. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your fix.